Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What I have for you here is a leopard fur or leopard faux fur throw. This is a 50 by 60 and it is reversible. Now what's cool about this item here, I actually love this look. It's got that light brown and white texture to it. It's really cool. It is reversible, just so you know. So it has two different sides. Let me just show you the solid side first. Okay, I'll put it on this chair. You can see the gorgeous texture of this blanket. Again, this is reversible. You can have the solid brown or you can have the leopard on the other side. Absolutely super soft. It's lightweight, really comfortable, and really, really warm. I love the materials. You can actually just, if you want to lay it down in different ways, you can have some kind of cool look to it if you want to do something like this, or reversible. It really is just a nice blanket. Now, if you have a cold house, or if you're going camping, or going to the fireworks, or whatever you're going to do, take it out with you. It's washable. You can reuse it. You can use, the kids can have it. You can use it for your pets. Doesn't really matter. There's so many uses for this type of blanket. Let me show you the other side real quick here. There you go. And here's the leopard side. Now, this is cool. Look at the texture on this thing. Isn't this quite awesome? Really super soft. Look at that faux fur feel to it. You can just see it's got like a little fur feeling to it. It's really, really super soft and really, really warm. It's really, really thick. Nice quality blanket. And the washing instructions are pretty easy. Maximum washing temperature is no more than 30 Celsius. Do not bleach. Hand dry. No dryer for this one. An iron, if you're going to iron on low heat, and actually medium in heat it says, and tumble low for the dryer. So, but that's what it says on the instructions, but everything is very clearly laid out. Again, you can just do this any which way. You can see how you can just style any which way you want to lay this out on. It's got a really cool look to it. I absolutely love it. You can see here. I like the brown personally. I like brown myself, but if you love this leopard, there you go. You can actually just lay it on yourself. You can now use it as a decoration. You can hang it on the wall. You can do whatever you want, any which way you want. And it actually is a gorgeous blanket. You can just throw it around. It's just a fun piece of material, a piece of a fun blanket, or a throw, or however you want to use it. Fantastic. That's what I have for you. If you enjoyed this type of review, if I made your shopping experience better for you, let me know. Like this channel, follow along. Let me know how you enjoy your shopping experience with us. I really appreciate that. And this is what it looks like. Again, it's got that gorgeous faux fur to it. You got the two different sides, solid and leopard. Here's the brown. Here's the leopard. Again, soft, gorgeous, and you can just throw it around. They call it a throw for a reason, because you can just throw it around. That's what it is, guys. All right, hope you enjoyed this review. Appreciate it, and thanks for watching.